What is up, guys? Gaming Addictions here, and just by what you're looking at right now, you can see what we are going to be playing today. Today we will be doing a campaign let's play. No, not Undead Nightmare. No. Another time. Let's get started. Now, I've already played about like 2 missions of this, so I'm just going to go into my game settings and go from the first mission so you guys can see everything. Okay, so I haven't played this game in so long, I think I might have forgotten how to get the thing. But just so you guys know, I know this is from my other account, I don't know why it's saved on here, for some reason, I actually kind of confused right now though. But right here are all my cheats that I entered in a long time ago, or maybe that's because I downloaded a lot of continents, maybe it came with this. But I'm not going to be using no cheats, as you can see all of them are off. Right now, I think you go to stats, and then missions. There we go, so I'm going to do the first mission. It's called New Friends, Old Problems. Now, I will be uploading the next video once this hits at least 10 likes.
So, how do you feel?
I don't know the polite word for it.
I do. Stupid is the word we use around here. What were you doing?
I was doing something stupid.
Well, you'll be okay. Once you didn't die, the doctor said you were fine. You got the bullets out a couple days ago.
Good.
The cost is $15.
I'm sorry, man. You left me there to die.
Did you want to die? I mean, was that it? Was that why you went straight out to Fort Mercer and picked a fight with the worst bandit in the county? To die,
Mr. Marston. John Marston.
Bonnie McFarland.
Now, 1 second. Since it doesn't let me replay the very first part, what happens is we arrive off this, I guess we're with government guys, and they put us on, this train. We have to go from the city down to this one place, and we have to go speak to this one old guy that's, up in a bar. And then he takes us down to the fort where I guess this guy named Billy is. I think that's his name. And then we're trying to reason with them because there's people trying to kill all of us. And I'm not sure if he was trying to kill, or I'm not sure if my guy was trying to kill him or not. But, yeah, I just thought you guys would know that. He shot me, and that's why they're asking if I'm fine and stuff. So a little backstory on what happened that I can't show you guys.
So what were you doing?
Trying to give Mr. Williamson a chance. Old time smoking.
You know Bill Williams?
Long time ago.
Yeah, Bill.
Well, what was he like?
No.
Just like you.
See, man.
I have.
Now there's a few downloaded continents I installed. So if anything weird happens and you have the game too, that's just gonna download the
Well, that
stuff.
sounds very fun. Quite heroic. Just like in those penny dreadfuls my brother used to read. Meanwhile, if you'll excuse me, I've got a ranch to do. Of course, if you're feeling better, why not take a ride with me later, help me patrol the perimeter? You can earn back some of that money you wasted on doctor.
Of course. Well, thank you. You saved my life.
Next time, Mr. Marston, I strongly recommend you don't totally leave.
For instance, I have golden guns, which is part of what I got. I'm gonna step outside so the camera adjusts, or just. So even if if I look, I don't even know if you guys can see it on the camera. Oh wait, what? It's not on my. Alright, I'll be back once I have the golden guns. Oh, never mind. I guess in this mission I'm not gonna have it because I'm replaying one. But once I get back to the main campaign, my golden revolver will be back, so don't worry. Don't you worry. And crap, I forgot how to play.
time I started paying back that $15.
You're just talking about me. I'm just gonna do something just real quick. Hold on the brightness just a bit. Oh, sorry guys.
Wait.
That's
Horses
better.
are saddled up over here.
How do I get down?
Come on,
I'm an
Mr.
idiot.
Marston, pick up the pace.
I'm stealing your horse.
It's also where we lock up.
I know that you always choose this one, so I'm stealing your horse.
I'm happy enough with my current quarters right now, Mr. Farmer.
Come on, time for you to see what a real ranch looks like. Yeah! To your right is the general store. You won't find Parisian high fashion, but it's good for the essentials.
Very convenient. I don't think I've ever seen a ranch with its own store before.
General store. Now look at how horrible this guy
Here's
looks
the
with my
corral.
camera.
This one's for the horses. What do you think?
I'm no expert, but it certainly looks like a fine corral.
I suspect you've stolen more horses than you've broken.
Now, where'd you get such an idea?
First impressions are hard to erase.
Ooh.
That's the train station. Things sure have changed since the line finally got finished, bringing in all sorts of new folk like
Oh!
Is that such a bad thing?
Change is only good when it makes things better. Yeah! That's the barn over there. Paul built it himself when I was just a little girl. And here we are, back at the house. Let's stop for a while before we head out on patrol.
Would you
I
help
know
me
that you
with
pitched
me?
your horse right here, I'm pretty sure.
Whoa!
Yeah, I think.
Come on. this
Now while
is-
teaching, I'm just gonna check my text real quick, because I just got a text. Oh. It was just, I'm so bored. By one of my friends. I can't believe it. My gun's not golden. It's not as golden as it used to be. I feel sorry for you, gun. I feel sorry.
How about a cold drink, Mr. Marston?
Thank you, ma'am. Get shot and then riding a horse seems to take it out of you.
Sure. Come on in. I'll show you the house and then you can sit for a while. Mr. Marston,
Mr. Farley.
remember me telling you about the trouble we've been having with rustlers and other undesirables? Will you help me keep watch on the property line this evening?
Sure.
Is at least my
Just for a
rifle golden?
on our land.
That's something we have to check out.
Come, let's head out. The country is really beautiful at around this time. Come on, then. Let's mount up and take a look around.
Oh, wait, is he golden? No! It's same old, same old! Wait, I'm not gonna enable no cheats, but I wonder if there's actually cheats for Golden Gun. Every shot counts, Donkey Rider, increased bounty, clear bounty, gun set 4, 3, punch out. I don't know what punch out does. Bad guy, so-so guy, change weather, Beastmaster, Hitchhawk, Guns Blazing, Right to Bear Arms, Rise Up, Deadeye level 1, 2, and 3. That's it. No, cancel. I don't want no cheats. No. It's pretty cool. Maybe I'll do like a cheat show off one of these. Or if this video gets 50 likes, I'll show you guys what all the cheats do. It's kind of like an alternate ending video, but except there's no ending, and all I'm doing is just showcasing cheats. Where's my golden gun at, lady? I know you stole it.
Right. Follow me. Keep your eyes peeled for anything suspicious. Thank you, Mr. Marston. I feel a lot happier someone's along with me.
I feel a lot happier now I got a rifle.
Well, with your trigger itch and my feminine intuition, we should make quite a team. I don't believe it. Those damn rabbits are back. Give me a hand with that, will you?
Rabbits.
Let's see that happen. I want to come to a beach.
What up, Doc? Oh, 360 no scope. 360 no scope. MLG. Oh. MLG the rabbits. Triple kill. No, I can't do this. I can't. I guess I'm not so MLG at Red Dead Redemption. Now, I'm not sure if you guys know this, but there's a part up here where you have to, there's a bunch of wolves that you have to kill. I kill, like, no matter what, like, almost all the time, you kill a rabbit, or, I mean, a chicken gets killed. I killed all of the,
If it's not the rustler stealing our cattle, it's the
No.
rabbit stealing our
it's
crop.
the, oh, sorry, I was checking. It's the, I kill all the coyotes, and not a chicken dies.
Damn coyotes are fast. Can't afford to lose.
Hey there, the coyotes.
Kill 'em.
Go! Oh! Crap, the horse running out of stamina. Oh no. This isn't good, this isn't good. Switch your handgun, I said! Too bad, one of them died. Crap, they killed one. I didn't see him all at first, and plus my guy wouldn't switch his guns. Wait, did one of them die? If Bonnie starts talking loud, it's a shame.
You can actually handle a rifle.
Oh, sweet, none of them died. If one of them did die,
Get lucky after
I actually forgot a name. I don't know.
You're a useful man to have around the ranch, that's for sure.
Oh,
But don't
Bonnie.
think I've forgotten
Bonnie
your
McFarlane right here.
We'll do whatever
She
we
would
can.
have said, it's a shame that they died, but they didn't. I stutter too much. That's like a problem.
This is you, Mr. Marston.
It's your horse. Got it.
Thanks for your help, Mr. Marston. Makes me kind of happy I saved your life. Get some sleep tonight. We'll see you in the morning.
Good night, Mr. Farland.
Now, guys, if you would like me to upload part 2, give me 5 thumbs up. And holy crap, my camera sucks so bad I can't even get my hand in. It doesn't even look like a hand. I don't even know, guys. I'm sorry I even did that. Wait a minute. Since it's back to the regular, Aha! Golden! Since it's back to the place where I'm not replaying missions. Aha! I told you guys I wasn't lying. This gun is complete gold. When he's putting it up, walk up a little more. See, you can see the moment of gold. I'm so savage I get gold guns. Oh god! that bonfire like blinded me until my camera adjusted. But yeah, if you guys would like the Let's Play Part 2, 10 likes on this video will do, and if I get 20, I guess I said 50 yet, but if I can get 20 likes, I'll post a cheats video. And I hope you guys enjoyed.